first 2 rows may be installed in alternation using the UNI click system. First, make sure that there is no gap lengthwise. Prior to gable end locking, no joint should be visible. It is important to leave a gap to the front wall and only push the first 2 rows towards the wall after completion, observing the wall distance. Prior to this, spacers must be placed lengthwise and to the gable end. At the moment of installation, the lateral floorboards must already be cut at the right distance from the wall. All other rows can be easily and quickly installed floorboard by floorboard and no longer need to be installed in constant alternation.